Tracking Jump Nation, it's your boy Hiroshi, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a killer drill to get you smashing double unders using a heavy rope. So this is of course the legacy rope. This is our new heavy rope concept. You can go and cop this rope right now from www.rushathletics.co.uk. And also in today's workout, we're going to pair it up with the money rope. So it's a little bit different to what I've shown you in the past, but I want to show you sort of my tricks, my secrets on how I get kind of mastering these double unders, how I can get to sort of 50s and 100s and multiple double unders. And I want you guys to get there as well, because as you know, this channel is all about getting you skipping like a boss. So if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. This channel is absolutely blowing up, all thanks to you, and I want to take you on this journey. So listen guys, you need to get your double unders right. Check this tutorial. We need to get in the best shape of our life, and the double under is the one move that you need to learn to get lean, to get cut, and just to feel good about your skipping workout. So without further ado, I'm going to run that intro as always, and I'm going to see you in the next clip. Peace. So what I really want to focus in on is your posture and your techniques today. The legacy rope is quite unique in the sense that it comes with no mechanism, and a lot of heavy ropes out there, if you know much about skipping and jump roping, a lot of the heavy ropes out there come with mechanisms, so it kind of alters the way you have your arms, your wrist positioning, your grip. So I want to take you through that today, especially for those who have already sort of bought this rope and looking to buy this rope. And also I want to get you through kind of how to smash it out with the speed rope. And I mean, I've been through so many tutorials with this in the past, but this drill is going to really get you nailing them ASAP. So listen, let's get straight into it. Let's get started with the setup. One way that the internet will show you is always to sort of step in the middle of the rope like this, hold it up to your kind of chest or your armpits, and yeah, roughly you want to get the handles to your armpit level. My height, I am 186 centimeters, which is about 6'1", 6'2". But ultimately what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get minimal kind of friction along the ground of your double unders. You want to get a very light clip, and you can hear that clip is really light, it's really subtle. You're not dragging the rope along the floor, so make sure your rope is not too long. With the heavy rope, this is where it comes up to my body. As you can see, my heavy rope handles are actually longer than the speed rope, so it kind of looks like it's along the rope, but ultimately the rope is around about the bottom of my chest. But that's where I'm going to get that nice clip. You can hear that nice bounce off the mat. But you know what's going to happen guys is I'm going to show you the technique, the posture, and you're going to see that depending on where you have your arms, where you feel comfortable, that's what's going to determine the length of your rope, to make sure you don't have too much friction, and that you can actually smash these out one by one consecutively. Right, point number 2 is your body positioning, and I've gone into so much detail in my kind of more technical tutorials on this, so make sure you go back, check those out. But just quickly, just to touch base on that, what you want to make sure you do guys is you want to make sure that your arms are just not flared out. You want to keep them close to your kind of body in terms of your elbow, very minimal space here. But what some people do, which is still wrong, is that they keep their elbows in and they have their arms flared out again. What you want to do is get your arms forward, and what I want you to do, what's going to be really key, is I want you to feel like you're pushing the rope forward. I don't want you to feel like you're spinning it with your wrists only. I want you to feel like you're pushing the rope forward using your forearms and then getting your wrist action as well. When you do grip down your speed rope, you're going to grip down using your thumbs down the sort of handles of the jump rope. So you're going to be doing this sort of action where your arms are sort of close to you, you're pushing forward, you're using those thumbs to really direct the rope forward, and you're using a lot of forearms. So just a quick little snapshot of what it looks like. So you can see I'm pushing down with my thumbs, forearms, elbows in. With the heavy rope, get my heavy rope, gardening. Right, so with the heavy rope, what you're going to do is you're not actually going to have your thumbs down the sort of handle of the jump rope, because the rope is just heavy, and you're just not going to get that kind of control with that thumb. So what you want to do is you want to kind of have a kind of baseball grip, as so. And the way we made the handles is it's super ergonomic, so it kind of comes in, hopefully you can see that, comes in at the top, and that's where I want you guys to grab and grip this rope. And what I tend to do is I kind of have my thumbs over my index. Again, same posture, and now you're going to really use a lot more shoulder force, biceps, and forearms, simply because the rope is that much kind of heavier. So this is what it's going to look like. And with this rope and this handle, you're just going to feel like your hands just have to grip it a little bit harder. It's not like the speed rope where, again, you can manipulate it with your thumbs because it's that light. Right, so the final point is kind of your footwork and your sort of total body look and technique. What I see a lot of people doing, again, is they're jumping too high when they don't need to, and they're sort of crouching over like this. You really want to keep your core engaged, your chest is out, you're breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. That would expand your lungs. But when you set off, when you do your first initial jumps, I want you to really focus in on when you take off, I want you to keep your legs straight, and when you land, I want you to land on the balls of your feet. As soon as you land on the balls of your feet, I want you to really focus on just taking off straight away again. To conclude that whole point, one thing again, when you are trying to execute these double unders, is you need to stay balanced. I've said this a million times, it's not about being fast, it's always about being balanced. If you mix that with timing, you then get to execute the move. So it's always balance plus timing equals the execution. There's no speed involved in this. All right, so that's enough of the technique and the sort of style and how you need to look. Let's get straight into the drill. I want you guys to really focus in, zone in now. You're gonna do this drill and I'm gonna make sure you guys smash it as always. Right guys, so now we're gonna start the drill. Remember those points that I mentioned before, technique, timing, balance. What you're gonna do with this drill is you're gonna pick up your heavy rope and you're gonna smash out 10 consecutive double unders. If you guys are beginners and you can only do 3 or 5, stick to that. I'm gonna do 10, then I'm gonna pick up my speed rope. I'm gonna hit 50 double unders with the speed rope. And then we're gonna go into the second set, which is then gonna be 20 double unders with the heavy rope and 40 with the speed rope. So you're gonna kind of converge. You're gonna increase the double unders with the heavy and then reduce with the speed rope. So it all sounds a bit complicated right now, but I'm gonna quickly take you through it. Let's go through the first set. 10 double unders now with the heavy rope. Get your body composed. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's your 10. You're going to instantly pick up your speed rope. You're going to go 50 double unders with the speed rope. Okay, that's the first set done. Crazy tired. You guys remember, if you follow this channel closely, I've already done a kind of uncut 500 double under video before in the past. Takes a lot out of you. This is why this is one of the best methods to keep it in shape all year round, losing a lot of fat. So you want to get yourself your breath back. The second set, so it's going to be 2 out of 3 sets. Second set, you're gonna pick up your heavy rope now, and we're gonna go 20 double unders with the heavy rope. Ooh. It's 20 there. We're now gonna go 40 with the speed rope. So we dropped the speed rope down by 10. Okay, that's the second set. Quick point to make, guys. When you're working through these workouts, if you trip up, you just gotta keep going, take your time. This is really an advanced drill. But like I said, if you can't do 20 or 40. Get to a number where you think you can get to, and then try and push that number out further. So if you're a beginner, you can only do 3 double unders with a heavy rope. Try 3, then push to 5, then get your weight up to 10. Right, so last set is gonna be 30 with the heavy rope and 30 with the speed rope. My heart is absolutely racing. Whew. Remember, it's all about technique, timing, breathing. So 30 double unders with the heavy rope. Get this out of the way. Let's go. It's 30 with a heavy. My heart is literally feeling like it's going to explode. Okay, straight in with the speed rope. Last 30 and then we're done. There you have it. Hope you guys like that kind of tutorial, workout, drill type of video. And as always, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you gave it a go, if you're gonna give it a go, and what you'd like to see going forward. A lot more tutorials. And yeah, be sure to check out the website. Pre-order your legacy rope right now. We will be getting this on Amazon, most likely towards the end of June, early July. If you can wait that long, otherwise head down to my website, our official website, and I will get these out to you very soon. So listen guys, you guys have been amazing as always. I enjoyed making this. Definitely struggling right now. But as usual, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.